Hey, how's it going? My name is Aziz and welcome to ICCA. This is Taste of Abu Dhabi. So what you see here exactly is the cookery challenge. This is a free experience for the public. Alright, so what you see here exactly is the kitchen, the back of the kitchen. Everything you see here are the equipments. Chef Hashish, how are you?
I'm good.
So tell us what's going on back there.
It's all our mise-en-place stations. We have some mise-en-place station. We have prepped everything before they start the events. We got to prep everything. So before 30 minutes, we everything mise-en-place and give it to outside. This is the mise-en-place team. Say hi. Hi.
Hello. Hi. How do you think about the whole experience of Taste of Abu Dhabi? So tell us more about it.
It's great that ICCA not only providing education but access to such great events to take part, or it's like a demo or a rehearsal of being in the food and beverage industry.
Yes, that's
so
right.
It's amazing. I'm grateful for ICCA to let me join the event.
Yeah. So Chef, what do you think of the whole ICCA for your first experience, the Taste of Abu Dhabi, with the staff and with the students?
It's been awesome, extremely hot, but I'm really proud to say that the students has really pushed hard. They've been doing an extremely great job on taste. I think it's going fantastic.
It's been a great event again this year at the Taste of Abu Dhabi. All the celebrity chefs have been really, very happy. Just keep up the good work on our last day and yeah.
So I've had an amazing time here at the cooking challenge, and all the helpers have been amazing. I know they're volunteers, they're not paid, but they're all so enthusiastic and so helpful. And without them, I don't think any of us chefs would be able to do what we do.
All right, so this is it for the cookery challenge. Now we'll go to the next feature.
Hi everybody, I'm Firas. I'm from batch 110 and this is the Chef Theater. I'll take you around to the backstage to show you what's going on. Right here we have all of our menu set for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Right now Nadim from the senior batch is checking with junior batch Aaron, making sure everything is ready, everything's proper. Dubi as well from the senior batch, and Suzanne as well. We're preparing for Chef Annabelle. We're doing chicken sliders with sweet potato baked. So they're getting everything prepped. This will be number 5 at around 4:30. So they still have time. And then we have our lovely batch here. They're helping out. So here we have the fridges, everything we need is always on 24/7 until from the moment we arrive until the moment we leave. How is it important, the exposure that we got here from Abu Dhabi Taste, and how will you apply it?
It was very nice because it's make me like to get more experience about something like exposure, and it's give also some idea to make it for my country sometime like this.
Yeah.
And it's very, 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 very beautiful place, and I like it.
And here we have one of the chef instructors, Chef Praveen. It's also, this is your first Abu Dhabi taste, correct?
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, this is my first taste.
And how did it go? How did the students apply all this stuff they learned at ICCA?
It's great fun to be here, and lots of people coming in and coming to the Chef's Theatre, and they are enjoying the shows done by most of the celebrity chefs. And the boys down here, the boys and girls have done a very good show yesterday. And they have done the mise-en-place on time, and everything was well organized.
Taste of Abu Dhabi 2019 at the Chef's Theatre. I just want to say I'm so grateful and so happy with the performance from all the students, the juniors to the seniors. They all came together as one, as a team, and we've done so great. Third day done. It was a total success. What more can I say? Super proud of my team, and another successful event, and can't wait for next year, guys.
working with ICCA is really a nice experience. They are very talented, very professional, and they are very helpful. And I'm really so happy with this. They are my backbone in the kitchen, by the way. Yeah, I just need them to be like they are. They continue the hard work and to be really in love with what they are doing.
So that's all for the Chef's Theater. Let's move on to the next feature.
Hi, my name is Jueria and I'm from South Africa.
Hi, I'm Yasmin. I'm from Egypt.
Welcome to ICCA Big Baking Tent. So this is our Belgian pastry chef, Kitty. Hi, Kitty.
Hi,
So how are you finding your experience at Taste of Abu Dhabi?
very good. Hot but good.
Which celebrity chefs have you worked with here?
With Karim Bourgi.
And how was it?
Very good.
What did you have to make for him?
Is entremet, is French.
Yes.
French pastry.
Yeah.
Is with 100%
Natural products. Yes.
And it's very fun. Hard but very fun.
So Kitty, why do you think it's important for chefs to be exposed to this kind of environment?
Because school is different, and here is more experience with different chefs. School is only with teachers.
Yes. So it's a good exposure for everyone. Yeah.
How are
So
you?
tell me, how has your experience been at Taste of Abu Dhabi?
It was really good, except for the heat over here.
And can you tell everybody why you want to be a pastry chef?
I like to feed people sweet because I'm like this. So, this pastry
Where are you taking those gummies?
to the wash area,
A lot of washing, yeah?
a lot of washing.
Now there's instructor pastry chefs. Chef, tell me, how's it so far working at Taste of Abu Dhabi this year?
Well, to be honest, this time is so much fun. With the heat, so much fun.
What to say about you guys? You guys are amazing. Wonderful.
Taste was great. Our students was really performing very good, and we are super proud of you guys. Well done, and all run very smooth, very accurate, very professional, and well done, guys. Good job.
It was well organized with all of you. You all worked very well. I mean, without you guys, we are nothing. It was superb.
Thank you, chef.
Oh, I love you, teddy bear. Gummy bear.
Working with the entire batch was lovely. They worked so professionally, so well organized, and though the weather conditions were very hot, but we all together as a team went through. Thank you so much, batch 111 and 113.
Of course, it's a teamwork, so ICCA students, they helped me with the mise-en-place, the preparation. They scaled all the recipe today. Big thanks for them, and I'm so happy to work with them. Cheers.
I just want to say, all the kids, let's call them, all the students, girls and boys have been absolutely phenomenal. I've got to say, preparations, timing, all the safety also, very well done on the hygiene, which is extremely important, and to be just simply passionate and happy to do what I love doing is cooking and having the benefit to please, having the pleasure to please, which is very special. Therefore, thank you.
Thank you, guys. That's it from us from Taste of Abu Dhabi. We'll see you next year, next taste. Bye.